In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your emails efficiently by using folders in Gmail, which are technically known as labels. This is a great way to keep your inbox tidy and ensure that you have easy access to important emails. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to navigate to gmail.com and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you may notice a lot of clutter if your inbox isn't organized yet. No worries, that's what we're here to fix. The first step in organizing your emails is creating a folder, or as Gmail calls them, a label. On the left-hand menu of your Gmail interface, scroll down until you see the More option. Go ahead and click on that and keep scrolling until you see Create New Label. Click on it and a dialog box will pop up, prompting you to enter a name for your new label. You might name this label something like work, bills, or personal, depending on how you want to organize your emails. Once you've entered your chosen label name, click Create. It's important to understand that Gmail uses labels instead of traditional folders. While this might seem like a minor distinction, it means you can assign multiple labels to a single email, allowing for a more fluid organization system. Now let's talk about moving emails into your newly created label. Open your inbox and start by selecting the emails you want to organize. Once you've selected them, you'll notice a label icon at the top of the page. Click on this icon and from the drop-down menu, choose the label you just created. After making your selection, click Apply. This will tag all chosen emails with the label, effectively moving them into that folder. Alternatively, you can click the Move to option, then select the label, and the email will move to that folder. To take your email organization to the next level, you can automatically direct certain emails to a specific